Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Ready or Not. All right. First up, go ahead and make sure that you have Steam installed. Now, if you don't have Steam, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now, type in Steam. All right. As you can see here in the first search result, you will be able to see Install Steam. Just go ahead and click on it. Now, in this website, just go ahead and click on Install Steam, and there should be a download page. As you can see here, I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. Yours might be different. You might be able to see your downloads right here at the top right. Just go ahead and wait for the download process to finish. All right. Once you've installed Steam, just go ahead and double click on it to open it up. And if you don't have an account yet, it will require you to create an account. Just go ahead and do so. Now the Steam app looks like this. Just go ahead over to Store. All right. Now here at the top right, click on it. Now just type in Ready or Not. All right. If you want to, you can just go ahead and download Ready or Not right here, which is the base game. Or you can go ahead and download Ready or Not LSPD bundle, which includes the DLCs right here. All right. But this one, the $20 is pretty fun. But if you want to, in the future, you can just go ahead and purchase one DLC at a time. All right. Let's just go ahead and click on this one right here. Now scroll down until you find Add to Cart. All right. Click on Add to Cart. Now in here, just go ahead and click on Continue Shopping and just continue with the payment process. All right. The payment process is easy. You can just go ahead and use your PayPal. Or if you have a Steam balance right here, you can go ahead and use that as well. Now, once you've paid for it, just go ahead over to your library. Now in here, just locate Ready or Not. If not, just go ahead and click on the search function and type in Ready or Not. All right. Click on the game. And here it should say Install. Just click on it and wait for the process to finish. And once done, you can just go ahead and hit on play and enjoy the game. That's basically how you download Ready or Not. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.